Hello guys, here we have a Volkswagen Tiguan with a fog light working, and in the other side it is broken. It doesn't work, as you can see. It is in there hanging from itself. Now we're gonna fix that and change it. I've bought a new one. From Autodoc. Was very cheap. Here it is. It came with a bulb inside, as you can see. It's plug and play. So let's do it. So as you can see, the fog light is right down there, and the easiest way to open it, to access it, is unscrew that bolt. It's a TAF 20 T20, and here you can see the broken one hanging, and there are the screws. Here we can unscrew it, remove it, and install the new one. Coming right back with the new one installed.
6.5 hours later.
So now we are the next day, because yesterday night started raining, and here we can see that we have installed the new fog light, and it's working perfectly. We bolted again those two screws, bolts, and now it's ready and working. Very easy. Thank you guys for watching.